Hi, it's Fanny of Living Richie on a Budget. Today I'm going to make
Gourmet hot chocolate.
the kind of hot chocolate people pay $5 to get or run 5K races to get. It's the rich, creamy, smooth hot chocolate that's just different than the ones from like the instant hot chocolate. So let's get started.
So gourmet hot chocolate begins with the best chocolate that you can find. Here I have a Scharfenberger bittersweet dark chocolate. I recommend either a bittersweet or dark chocolate bar rather than semi-sweet chocolate because semi-sweet can be too sweet and you want to be able to adjust the sweetness. Also use a chocolate bar instead of chocolate chips as it will melt better. Tip number 3 is to use full-fat whole milk as the fat is what gives it flavor. And we're going to add in heavy whipping cream, which I think is a secret ingredient to making it taste more like gourmet hot chocolate. I use 1 ounce of chocolate and I have a scale to measure it, but if you don't have a scale, just look at the package and see how many ounces and just divide it accordingly. For example, this bar says 3 ounces, so I would cut this into 3 equal pieces. So you get 3 1-ounce pieces.
Start with 3/4 cup of milk. Whole milk is the best. And then I'm going to pour in 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream.
In a small pan over medium heat, pour in the milk. After it heats up for a minute, add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. I just use the one from Trader Joe's. And you're going to mix it with a whisk until it's fully dissolved. Make sure you watch the milk because it can boil over. Now we're going to add in the pieces of the chocolate bar and whisk it so that it melts. Again, stand by to make sure that the milk doesn't boil over. And if it does boil over, just turn off the heat and keep whisking and mixing until it melts. It looks about ready now, so I'm going to turn off the heat and add sugar. Now add in 2 teaspoons of sugar. I use turbinado sugar, that's why it's brown, but you can use white sugar and you can use as much sugar as you want. We're going to mix it again and get ready to pour it into a glass. So does this look good or what? It's creamy, rich, decadent, gourmet hot chocolate. And it was so easy to make with just a few ingredients.
If you like this video, please click thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below, are you excited to make this? Have you tried $5 hot chocolate before? Let me know in the comments below. See you next time. Bye.